Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys said they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. Real girls like I had last week. I must stay free, cause stock is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what else can I do? I really bet you my love. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything bad, it's all good. Let me jump up and send in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I seek. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man. Jump up and down, move it all around. Shake your head to the sun, put your hands on the ground. Take one step left.